So I just installed a new hard drive into a PS4 Slim, and I downloaded the um, update file to a card, and looks like everything's gonna run back right. This is the old hard drive. It's the old hard drive that came out of it. So this hard drive came out of it. I got the new one in there. The new one is inside and installed. Wasn't too hard. You just gotta take 4 screws out and then slide it back in, close it back up. Push your power button for you got to hold your power button for like 7 seconds, let it beep again, start it in the safe mode. Let me see what else has it. Oh, then you got a connection controller. So got my controller connected to it, and it's gonna run safe mode, run it in reinstall software. And once you select the initialize the software to reinstall, then you would plug in your USB with PS5. It's a PlayStation link. I had to put it in the description, and looks like everything's coming up good. Yep, coming up just like it's supposed to. And there we go. So now we have to just initialize the PlayStation. I have to initialize the PlayStation all over brand new. I do have an external drive that has the game saved on there, so hopefully it won't be too much loss. But if it is, well, that's the more fun of going back and doing the games again. But nonetheless, initializing hadn't took but maybe about 5 minutes. Once it initialized, asked if I wanted to do a software setup. I did the software setup. I got the hard drive off of Amazon. Probably was like $80. It's a 2 terabyte. I think what it had before was a 500. So now it's got a 2 terabytes. So it's more space on there. And everything looks like it's going pretty good, but that's just the initialization of reinstalling the hard drive to a PlayStation and getting it installed and getting it back up and running. Hope this helps.